No Man's Sky featured repetitive and shallow gameplay. No Man's Sky featured repetitive and shallow gameplay. Diablo Roman 3 had server connection problems and pay-to-win mechanics. Diablo Roman 3 had server connection problems and pay-to-win mechanics. The Elder Scrolls Online required multiple patches. The Elder Scrolls Online required multiple patches. Players couldn't connect to servers to play Battlefield 4. Players couldn't connect to servers to play Battlefield 4. Halo, the Master Chief Collection faced server issues. Halo, the Master Chief Collection faced server issues. Assassin's Creed Unity was plagued with texture problems and glitches. Assassin's Creed Unity was plagued with texture problems and glitches. Destiny had a lackluster base game. Destiny had a lackluster base game. The terrible PC launch of Batman Arkham Knight forced Warner Bros. To offer refunds. The terrible PC launch of Batman Arkham Knight forced Warner Bros. To offer refunds.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.